How to call someone without showing your number in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. And one more thing, it works on both and it works on only Android. So this is not for the iOS users. So what you have to do is you have to go to your uh, system app of the phone system app. When you click on the phone app of and then what you have to do is you can see your settings in the top right corner. So you have to find your settings, so please make sure your setting is in so it depends on the what device you are using. And then what you have to do, you have to click on the settings in the top right corner, and when you click on this, then you have to scroll down and then click on the advanced settings. When you click on the advanced settings, what you have to do is you have to again scroll down, and then here you can see the caller ID. When you click on the caller ID here, so what you have to do, you have to click on this arrow pointing to the right. When you click on this, then what you have to do is you can see this network default hide number show number. When you click on the hide number, then here you can see the number hidden in outgoing calls. So it means that when you call someone, then your number is not showing here, and it is showing that this is private number. So that's the basically that how you can hide your number when you calling someone. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.